Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this, GOODAAA solar power bank with 26,800 mAh battery pack. Whoa, that's good. But there's more. It's a portable charger with micro USB input, USB-C in and output at the same time, two USB outputs, and wireless charging. Cool, baby. And, we're not ready yet, LED torch. Woo, that's cool for smartphones, for outdoor use, for camping, and to reload your devices by using the energy from the sun, because it is solar powered. We have two USB outputs, USB-A, one Type-C output, Type-C, wireless charging, micro USB charging port, if you like to recharge it via the power socket. But I think a really cool feature is to reload that battery, which is included, by using the sun, because there is a solar panel installed. We have an 3-in-1 USB cable included, Type-C, Apple, that means lightning, and cigarette lighter. Not only for cigarettes, of course. You can light up a torch or something others in or outdoor by using this lighter. It's really cool. We charge up to 4 devices simultaneously. Sufficient power for smartphone, tablets, cameras, and so on. It's perfect for camping, hiking, traveling, and of course on the go. We have a powerful solar panel. This allows charging in nature and outdoor activities. Yeah, that's really cool. I like it really much. And not only to recharge our smartphone, you can recharge tablets and cameras with it too, no problem. And you can light up something. Really cool. We use the solar energy to charge our device anywhere and anytime. And we have a built-in LED light function, which not only provides lighting in the dark environments, but also safety and convenience for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. You can use it. We enjoy the wireless freedom of charging, complete with compatible devices. No wire is required for it. It's ideal for outdoor use. We stay flexible and mobile while charging our devices with the GOODAAA W12 Max QI Solar Power Bank. We have LED indicator light on it, solid red device standby status, flashing red foreign object detection. Then we have 5-watt wireless charging function on the wireless charging area. We have a compass kit. We have a solar panel and a hanger for a clamp. A battery status indicator on the side, a power button to switch it on. Automatically it will switch off. USB 2, USB 1 output, a Type-C charging and in and output, a micro USB input to recharge it by using the power socket. We have an LED and a flashlight, a solar charging indicator on the side way, and it makes a cool job because micro USB input comes with DC 5-volt, 3 ampere, the same Type-C USB. The battery capacity is 26,800 mAh, and lightning power is 1 watt. The wireless charging output is DC 5-volt, 1 ampere. The solar panel makes DC 5-volt, 0.3 ampere, under 25,000 lux. It's only a half kilogram weight. It's really lightweight. We have a unique design, fashionable and beautiful. An original Class A polymer battery. That means safe and stable. A wireless output compatible with all Qi-compatible phones. Large capacity portable power bank for simultaneous charging of multiple devices. We have a built-in solar panel. This charging the input allows us to charge our digital devices anytime and anywhere. A built-in LED light is convenient for outdoor use. We gently press the power switch, then the LED battery indicators and the wireless charging function are switched on. If there is no charging device, power bank will automatically shut down after 30 seconds. We can charge the power bank with the solar system. We put the power bank under direct sunlight, and the sunlight will convert into electricity to charge the built-in lithium battery automatically. Strong sunlight is, of course, advised. We connect the Type-C or USB input port at a wall or a call adapter. The USB port with a cable. The blue LED indicator will be flashing while charging, and all indicators on means the power bank has been fully charged. And then we are back in business. So yeah. And then we can start and charge multiple devices out there with the GOODAAA solar power bank with 26,800 mAh battery, portable charger with micro USB input and USB-C and two USB-A output sockets, wireless charging included too, and LED torch for smartphones, tablets, cameras, for outdoor use, for camping, vacation, and for the garden. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. So and so.